Welcome to the Fence Armor wood stain calculator demonstration for fence stains. Now, come to fencearmor.com, go to wood care. Right under the big 5-gallon bucket, you'll see stain calculator. Now, on stain calculator, we need to get a few things from you. We have deck, we have fence. As I said, we'll do deck in a different video. For this one, I'm going to choose fence, and we need to get a little bit of information from you. First off, it defaults to 100 feet long by 6 foot tall. You can easily click in here and change this to whatever you need, but we're going to leave it by 100 by 6 for this demonstration. Are you going to stain one side or both sides? So in this video, we're going to stain both sides, and we're going to use a spray to apply the stain, not brush. Now you'll also notice we have the largest variety of options of what kind of fence you have, because each one of these requires a different amount of stain. So we've got everything from shadow box, board on board, split rail, 3-rail, picket. We're going to pick privacy for this demonstration. And we have a question for you. Do you need post guards or caps? Post guards protect string trimmer damage from tearing up the base of your post. Very important product. Highly recommend if you don't have it. As you can see here, it chews off and exposes raw wood to the elements and to termites and bugs that want to eat your post. Shorten the life of your fence. Very good product to have. Post caps prevent snow and water from melting and going right down the center of your post, rotting your post from the inside out. You don't have to, but we will calculate it for you. Here's clicking yes. It automatically calculates 14 posts, 8-foot centers. Be sure and check the 3-inch tall post guards. We do in some other fence styles have a taller one, but click on there and add post caps. Now, very important. What is the condition of your fence? Is it a previously oil-based stain? Is it an old gray weathered wood fence? Are you in a high humidity area that has a lot of mold and mildew? Is it brand new wood fence? Are you in a dry, dusty area where you've got a lot of surface dirt? Or maybe you had a water-based acrylic stain paint on your fence before. So for this demonstration, we're going to pick weathered wood. You just got a gray wood fence. Now, if you're not concerned about boring insects, click no. If you're connected to the house or connected to following a driveway or something like that, you might want to click yes on this one. We're going to do that because we're connected to the house, so we want to be able to clean up the stain real easily. Now, what is your wood type? In North America, you're going to have a majority of pressure treated yellow pine. That's the green and yellow fence that goes up in your neighborhood. You see a brand new bright green and yellow fence. That's pressure treated southern pine. If it has kind of a dull rust color to it, that's western red cedar. If it's a white picket fence or white board fence, it's probably white cedar. In the Northeast and Northwest, they have some hardwoods that are listed here. MCA treated sienna is more of a brown pressure treated lumber. You find this mainly in Canada. If it's a yellowish board, that is Alaskan cedar, mainly found in the far northwest. Now, what kind of stain do you want? First of all, transparent fence stain. Transparent fence stain allows more of the grain to show through. It has a little bit of tint in the oil that penetrates and seals and protects the wood, but has just a slight amount of tint. We have transparent log and timber stain. This is more for unsawn lumber like log timbers. And semi-transparent, a little bit more pigment in the oil, covers a little bit more, makes it a little more even. And then the semi-solid fence and deck stain, this produces a very even tone, almost like a paint. It has a lot more pigment than the other two and creates a solid looking fence with the grain blended in to make it one uniform color. So for this example, we are going to pick southern yellow pine cedar. cedar stain on southern yellow pine. Now, all you have to do is come down and click create your stain plan, and you will see Expert Wood Care Cleanup Degreaser, Wood Cleaner. Now you notice we've listed it twice, but one's a 32 ounce and one's a couple of 8 ounces. We could just sell you a gallon, but that would be too much. So this is a little more economical to sell you exactly what you need. Wood Care Brightener. Now these two are very important. One cleans the wood, gets you a nice base, and then this one, a slight acid that takes away all the oxidation on the fence, makes the stain penetrate better and get more into the wood so that it gives you a deeper finish and deeper protection. Here's your 2 5 gallons of Seal Transparent. Here are post protectors. Now, if you go down through here, all you have to do is click the add to carts on this, and we will get this shipped out and on your way. Thank you so much. Please join us for our deck stain video, and happy staining.